have one without the other, at least not on mine. But yeah, let's get going. All right, what do you think? So we're gonna be in, it goes second gear, get us over there, nice and slow. So we're gonna start with the easy section right here in the first in the middle. I'm gonna take this speed the whole way. I've been cutting this field since 2019. First time I actually hired a neighbor to do it. And ever since then, it's been me with Tilly. Well, we tried some other things before, but we're gonna do this.